Hi guys, so to continue our study about last week and not last week because we have some technical problem about the Zoom and I don't know what happened because it's just happening in your class. I don't know, but whatever, forget it. And now in this video, I tried to inform you about our last study, our last discussion about digital art. I will start from the difference thing between digital art and traditional art because I thought you have some confusing in your mind about the definition, about the meaning between digital art and traditional art. So let's get started. So we start with the definition about digital art. Digital art is an artistic work or practice that uses digital technology as part of creativity and presentation process. So what is the different thing between digital art and traditional art? The different thing is in word use digital technology. Got it? Okay. If you said, I'm doing digital art, you might be, or yeah, you should use your phone, your tablet, your computer, or your, something with technology that is called digital art. Like you are painting in your phone, you are drawing in your tablet, you are making animation with your computer, or editing or edit some of your animation with your computer with some software. It's called digital art. And about traditional art is when you do art with materials that you usually face in your life, like paper, pen, brush, canvas, and so on. Yeah. So this is digital art class, and in this video I will only talk about digital art. Okay. There are some categories in digital art that we can do art in digital. First is digital drawing, like so in this presentation. And I thought you ever drawn in digital, then that's amazing. Second, pixel art, like you can see in this presentation. That is pixel art. And third, fractal art, like this. And then fourth, generative art, this. And then fifth, digital illustration. Actually, this is the same art that we do in digital, but there are some difference between digital illustration and digital drawing. I will let you know later, okay? And then the last one is animation, and this is basically what we're gonna talk more in this class. This is what we're gonna do more in this class. Yeah. So what is animation? What the definition about animation is? Animation is a method in which figures are manipulated to appear as moving images. About animation, there are traditional animation and digital animation. So, why traditional animation is called digital art? Maybe you are about confused because traditional animation that we gonna do in this class is something about we draw in the paper or we painting in the paper, like traditional drawing. And why it is called digital art? Because we do it in traditional. Why? It's not digital art, and you say that basically it is digital art. Why? Because after we draw, after we paint after we set the characters, we set the clay or something that we gonna use in our animation. We go to edit it. Okay, we use some software, we use some application to make it to be an animation. So software and application is digital technology. So that's why traditional animation like stop motion that you usually heard is stop motion, colored animation, claymation, or etc. It's still called digital art. It's because we use software and application to make it to be an animation. Because without it, we cannot make it to be an animation. Got it? Without the software and the application, we cannot make it to be an animation. So it's called digital art. But in the age of technology now, this day, most animation are made with computer-generated imagery that we usually heard is CGI. Did you ever heard about CGI? So I'm going to give you an example between CGI animation and traditional animation. Let's watch.